Let us take a look at the ingredients required to make these samosas. I have taken here 2 katoris of mixed sprouts. This is 3 katori of whole wheat flour. Then this is 1 tablespoon of grated dry coconut. I have grated coconut and then dry roasted it for a minute. Half a lemon. This will give it a tangy taste. Then salt as per taste. 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar. 1 teaspoon of Kitchen King masala. It is going to give it a nice flavor. Then this is half teaspoon of chili powder. Half teaspoon of garam masala powder. This is 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, or we call it badishep in Marathi. These seeds are very good for digestion and also they are going to give it a different flavor. And this is oil. We are going to require some oil to knead the dough, some oil for the stuffing and the remaining oil for frying. So at first we will knead the dough of the covering. I am preparing the dough for the covering. For that I have taken the whole wheat flour. To this I have added a pinch of salt and 2 tablespoons of oil. We have to knead the dough. You have to make a tight dough. So add water gradually. Our dough is ready. Now let us prepare the stuffing. Now to begin, we will grind these sprouts coarsely in a mixie jar. Remember it, they have to be coarse, and also while grinding them, do not add any water. For the stuffing, I have heated my pan, and once the pan is hot, I have added oil. Now let us add the mixture of sprouts and fennel seeds. Now we have to stir fry it without adding water. Now we have stir fried this mixture for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we will add a little amount of water and salt so that these sprouts will get cooked. Add a little amount of water in this mixture. Also we will add salt. Now we will mix it well. We will cover this mixture with lid so that the mixture is cooked. Our sprouts are now cooked. Now let us add the seasonings. So first I will add Kitchen King masala, red chili powder and garam masala. Now let us mix it well. Now let us add dry coconut. Now let us mix it well. I have already roasted this dry coconut, so now let us switch off the flame. Our stuffing is now cooled. Now let us add powdered sugar. Now let us mix it properly. Now let us add lemon juice. Our stuffing is now ready. Now let us make samosas. We are going to give a little different shape to our samosas. Now I have divided my dough into small balls. I have taken one ball and now let us roll it into a puri. Let us add the stuffing in the center. Apply a little water to its edges. This will help the edges to stick together. I am going to give it a different shape. So just see how I am folding the samosa. So you can see that our triangular samosa is now ready. In the similar fashion, I will prepare all the samosas. Samosas are now ready. Now let us deep fry them. I had already kept my oil for heating. Now let us deep fry our samosas. You have to deep fry them on low flame so that they become crisp from outside. Our sprout samosas are now ready.